Hi folks, Robert here with more Revit Training. We're going to continue on with this office space I got. We got a question about this image I made here. This is a 3D view and somebody said, where are the baseboards? Where's the... Okay, so we're going to go here and look into our 3D view here. This one. This is our 3D floor plan. So we want to get baseboard around these walls. Very simple thing to do. So first of all, we'll select this wall right here. And I'm going to edit this type. Okay, and we always duplicate it. So I'm going to duplicate here. I'm going to just put on the end of this base. I'm going to say okay there. Now we got to go in here and edit this. So I've already got a view here showing. So here, I'm going to shut this down for a moment. You get the plan view or you'll get a section view. So in this case, we want a section of this. So now here, this is the construction of the wall. There's the finished gypboard 5/8, and there's another layer, and then here's the core, which is going to be metal stud. So to do the base plates, you want to come down here to where it says sweeps. Okay. Now these are our sweeps. Well, what was supposed to be sweeps here. So to give you an idea of how that works, we need to go and load a profile. We can load a profile in from wherever we want. And here in my project browser, there's a bunch of families there. But to load a profile for this, you can go here and then go find it, or there's some already loaded here. So I'm going to just go here and say add. So here we get a default base plate here. Let me see if I can see this in the view here. No, we can't. I'm going to just say okay for the default. And see, there's the default. We don't want that one. So I'm going to go back into my sweeps here. And I'm going to just go and pick another one. And I'm going to say, I guess this would be good for a commercial building, the 1 by 5.5 by 5/8 inch. So select that. And then I'm going to apply. Okay, so there's our base plate. So now for this, we need another one on the other side, of course. So here, this is our orientation. This is base, or we can go top if we want. But for this, is going to be base. Orientation is perpendicular, and this is going to be exterior side. So to do the other side, it's just simply go and let me apply this. And we're just going to go add another one. Add another base here. I'm going to go and get that 5.5 by 5/8. Now here's, we can do material here. We can do a plastic or wood. I don't know what these are defaulted to now. So let's go down. Okay. Taking this time here. I might just, okay. So here's all the different materials we can use here. But for right now, I can find something here. But here's all of our material. I would just say wood here. There's some kind of wood for this. And let's just go with let's just do a birch. Just updating an appearance there. And physical appearance here. It's still updating. Wow, slow today, guys. So graphics, I want to use a rendered appearance, and then I'm going to say okay here. So we've got birch here. We do the same with this one. Make this also birch. We go okay. Apply. Could not. Okay, sorry, got that wrong. We got two in the same place. So we want this one to be interior. There you go. Apply, and okay. So there we have our wall bases, and we're going to go back into that view, We'll say okay here. Use my 3D view. Okay, that's just that wall. So I'm gonna have to go and change the others. So I'll go back into this view. Yeah, there it is. So all I do is just select this wall here, and I'll rename it. I'll edit the type. So go with base. That's it. You can actually do this in our 3D view here. We'll change this one here to base. So it's very simple how you do the base for. Sorry I didn't do that before, but it's a good video. Nice little explanation of how. So just basically take all these walls that says base, that I have as base, and change them. So this one can go, actually all these. So anyway, guys, now for the front, we might do this a little differently. Okay, yeah, we're going to do one on the interior side of that one. But for this one, let's go here and do this one. Select this guy, call it base. Okay. This wall right here. Okay. So you're supposed to get the idea how this all works. Okay, this one as well. Going to be our base. Where is it? Man. Okay, I'm gonna go here. I could have just matched these two. Let me see if I can do that. Modify. Match. But anyway, guys, you get the idea. Yeah, we can do a match here. So great. So you got all of them in. Yep. And then we want to look at this front wall here. So let's go in here. Same thing as we did before. I'm going to select this wall. I'm going to edit the type. Okay, wait a second here. Cancel this. I'm going to go into my plan view, just so I don't know. So here, I'm going to select this wall. I'm going to edit type. I'm going to duplicate it. Exterior wall base. Go okay here. And I want to edit this type. And I want to do another profile, another sweep. So here, we want to look at our views here. So there's our exterior wall. So we want to add a sweep here. And we're going to go add, and we're going to get the 5.5 by 3/8, and then we want to go here, and we want to put this on the interior side. Apply, okay. So we're going to go okay here, apply, okay. So it's doing its thing there. I might match this. And that one. Okay, so there you go, folks. Wrong 3D view, sorry. This is it. There you go. So we got our base around there and everything. Probably should have made it wood or something like that. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe. Helps me make videos like this. So there's our base. And then that other 3D view. There. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Everybody be safe and please subscribe.